guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, then welcome to my channel, and thank you guys so much for stopping by. So as the title says, you guys, this is my first ever makeup swap. I've wanted to do one of these for a long time, like ever since I started my channel, but I've never been invited to do one until now. My girl, Beauty Butterfly Makeup Playtime, invited me to do one. She invited me to do this swap probably 2 months ago. So it's crazy because it's been crazy, like, just to not be able to tell you guys like what we were planning to do. I've been super excited. It's been a fun journey picking out makeup that I love and picking out makeup that I think that she would love, and just, figuring out, I don't even know. I'm excited, as you guys can tell. I'm super excited. This is my first makeup swap. Anywho, okay, let me start from the beginning. So a couple of months ago, she hit me up. She asked me would I be interested in doing it. I was just like, yes, of course. I was super excited. And she was like, okay. She gave me a deadline. She gave me a couple of rules. So if you don't know Beauty Butterfly Makeup Playtime, she is one of my subbies and I'm one of her subbies. And basically, we are both kind of beauty on a budget. Because y'all know me. I be saving them coins. I feel like, you feel me, you ain't got to spend a lot of money to look cute. So, I always come with inexpensive makeup that is really cute. She does the same thing. But the difference between me and her is I'm more of an online shopper where I'll find like really good inexpensive websites, and she's with like the drugstore makeup. Like, she finds cute inexpensive drugstore makeup. So when she asked me to do the swap, I was just like, yeah, this is going to be fun. I've been wanting to do this forever. And I also love her taste. She has really good taste in makeup. She's always really pretty. Her makeup is always impeccable, excuse me. And she's super sweet. Like, she's a really sweet, sweet lady. So, yeah, this is our first makeup swap together. I'm super excited. So basically what we did was we picked out things that we either use and love, or things that we thought that the other person would love. And what we're going to do is, it's going to be a two-part video. The first one is going to be the unboxing, and then our next one is going to be the trying on, like final look using all the products. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. I opened it to make sure like nothing was broken, and just, because I was excited. We both opened it. It was a mutual agreement that we would open our boxes. So we both opened it, and I have to say I am beyond pleased with the things that she got me. It's amazing. I love it. Can't wait to do part 2 and see what I can come up with, what look I can come up with, because it's just, I don't even know how to. She got me so much cute little stuff. I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, what am I going to do? But anyway, so I opened it and I checked it. I only looked at it one time. And to be honest, that was like, maybe a week and a half ago when it came. And I haven't looked at it since. So I kind of don't even remember everything. But I do know that I liked everything that I saw. So what I'm going to do with you guys right now is I'm going to unbox everything, show you everything, and then I'm going to come back with a video in the very near future showing me using everything. Also, too, she has done her video, and I'm going to put the link to her video in my description box, and she'll put the link to my video for her viewers in her description box. So, with that being said, you guys, let's get ready so you guys can see my very first makeup swap. So here's my box. She sent me one item outside of the box, but outside of the packaging that she sent it in. But I'm not going to go to that first because she sent me a beautiful card, and I want to read you guys the card. So let me show you. First, she sent me this amazing, can you guys see this? I hope you can. It is a Marc Jacobs Daisy bag. Super cute. Bubblegum pink, girly girly. So it's a cute Marc Jacobs makeup bag. That's the first thing. She put all of the makeup inside of the bag. And she sent me her business card. So pretty. Isn't she pretty, you guys? So she sent me the card, and then also too, let me show you guys, you can follow her on Instagram at beauty_butterfly1807. So you guys go follow her on Instagram. And she sent me a thank you card, which I think is so sweet. And this is one thing I always like joke with her about because I know in her video she's going to show you guys. I hope she does it though. I have terrible penmanship. I've always had terrible penmanship. I wrote her a note too, but I was just like, I hope you can read my note because my penmanship is terrible. I feel bad about that. But she just has the most beautiful penmanship. Look at this, you guys. Just beautiful. So her card says, "Hello, thanks so much for doing this collab with me. You are totally awesome. I decided to do a makeup bag because I wanted a traveling free for you. Wait, hold on. Excuse me. A traveling fill for you. A sort of dig and grab. I hope you enjoy these products. Hopefully these are products you don't have and are happy with. Very happy. I am so excited to see the videos with these products. I hope we can collab again. Yes, we can. Sincerely, Beauty Butterfly." So yeah, you guys, her penmanship is just, and I don't know if you guys have seen my video. I think I was the first winner of her first giveaway. I believe I was the first winner. She does this monthly giveaway, and I think I was the first one. And when she sent me her stuff, I already was just like, I was like, oh my God, like, girl, your penmanship is crazy, like, perfect. I was like, oh my gosh, I hope I never have to write her a note, but I did. It's okay. So anyway, we're going to jump into this, you guys. It is a bag full of products of what she sent me. I'm going to show you the one product that didn't fit in here first, and it is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I'm super juiced about this because it is actually in my color, like in my skin tone. I don't want to blind you guys. Let me cover that up. But yes, this is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I don't own this palette. I've never tried it. This is going to be like a challenge for me too because I'm kind of scared of cream contour. I don't know why. I've never done it, so I'm a little shaky about it. But I love it because I've always wanted to try it. So now this is going to push me out of my comfort zone. Next, you guys, she sent me some Ardell Professional Remy lashes. And that's how they look. I'm excited about those two. Very pretty. She sent me the CoverGirl True Naked Dazed palette. Y'all know I love me some colors. She sent me the Dazed palette. This is really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. I'm excited about that. She also sent me the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Sculpt and Set Pomade in the color Rich Brown. Thank you, girl. She sent me the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. I've never tried this either, and this is 16-hour wear. I love me some setting spray too. I feel like my makeup look is not complete without setting spray. She sent me the CoverGirl Cheekers blush in the color 145 Rock and Rose. That is very pretty. Very, very pretty. I am a red and orange blush type of girl. She also sent me a second palette, which is so funny because one of our rules was we were only supposed to send one of each thing, but I sent her a second eyeshadow palette too because I was just like, one of the palettes I was just like, okay, this one is like just for regular daytime wear, but then the second one, it was like glittery, and I was just like, and it's something that I love so much, I was like, nah, I gotta send her this one too. I want her to try this because I love this palette. So we both sent each other two eyeshadow palettes. So this one is in the color 500 Brooklyn Nudes, which is crazy. Like I said, like she sent me like a nude and a color palette, and that's exactly what I did with her too. That's so cute. She sent me the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black. And she sent me, oh, this is so pretty. The CoverGirl Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick in the color 150 Raspberry Jelly. Oh, you guys, look at that. That is so fall time. Oh, y'all see what I'm wearing right now. Like, I'm so into it right now. Fall. I got all my sweaters, everything. I'm ready. She also sent me the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the color Aries. So it's from their, I don't know if you guys have seen their Zodiac collection. This is the one from their Zodiac collection, and it's for the sign Aries, which is my daughter's name. So cute. Oh, also too, you guys, she sent me this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in the color, and y'all, look, I'm gonna show you. Party. And this is the color of the blush. It's a really pretty nude blush. Very nice. Very, very pretty. So that's like a daytime option. I love that. She sent me the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. So that's my primer. Very cute. She sent me, and I love this because I do have this. But it's okay because I love it, so I got another one. The Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the color Golden Flower Crown. Look at that, y'all. Y'all know I'm about to be blinging. I'm about to be blinging. Super cute. She also sent me, for contour, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut, which is a perfect contour for me. I'm super excited. Like, I'm going to be the cream contour and the cream, like, yeah, I'm trying some new stuff, y'all. She sent me some stuff that I haven't tried yet, and I'm super excited because I've been wanting to be pushed out of my comfort zone of powder. So this one is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and that is for my highlight. And I love this. I love this. So yeah. She also sent me the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. Why can't I talk today? Jeez, slow down, girl. So what's so funny about me and her, right? She is a mascara person. She's not an eyelash person. She's not really big on false lashes. I'm a false lash person. I'm not really big on mascara. So I sent her extra lashes, and she sent me extra mascara, which is so funny, which is cool, though, because I use mascara on my bottom lashes, just not on the top, because I don't have no lashes. So I'll be like, I need my false lashes. But I'm glad that she sent it to me. I'm really happy. Okay, so she sent me a lip liner from Milani. It's a color statement lip liner, and it is in the color number 12 Bordeaux, which is a perfect fall color. Wine. What else we got here? She also sent me a Smashbox Always On gel liner, and it is an eyeliner gel in black. Love gel eyeliner. And she sent me a L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock Translucent Setting Powder. And it's crazy because this is exactly the color that I like. I like translucent. I like banana too sometimes, but sometimes banana doesn't work for me. But translucent is always on point. So I'm super excited about this. And last but not least, you guys, she sent me a really, really pretty brush set. Let me show you guys. So it comes with 5 brushes. And let's see. We have a brow brush right here. Super cute, super cute. And it's like a floral detail. This one is like a shader brush. Let me take it out for you guys. And what's so crazy, you guys, it's like Japanese brushes. Super pretty. You guys see the writing? And it has these really pretty flowers on it. Beautiful. So that's the shader brush. And then she sent me the, I want to say this is the powder brush and the blush brush and the crease brush. So yes, I'm super excited, and that is what she sent me, y'all. That is my products, you guys, and I'm going to come really soon and give you guys a video with me using all of these products. I'm super excited about using these products. I've been wanting to dig into them. It took everything in me to restrain myself to not open the box again after I looked at it the first time. But yes, you guys, really, really soon I am going to play in these products and come up with a look. I want to say once again, thank you so much for inviting me to do this swap with you, Beauty Butterfly. This has been amazing. I cannot wait to collab with you again, girl. And like I told you guys, I'm going to put her channel down in my description box so you can see the things that I sent her. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited. Look out for that next video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon in the very near future. Have a good day.